Welcome back to our channel, Striker of the Sea. Tonight, I will be showing you my other Nerf guns. First is this gun. It is like a revolver, but it's not. It is shooting zombies. You see. Our second gun is Maverick Rev 6. It is cool though, like this. Third gun is Strong Gram. It's the same of this one, but it's a little bit different. Just look. This is our fourth gun. It is a shotgun though. Its reloading here, and these are the backup bullets. And the fifth is this gun, the Retaliator. It's Elite Nerf, and yeah. So these are the magazines. They have to be number 6, so we will not waste our bullets. And the last one is Surge Fire. The last gun, 6th gun, and the last gun is our fist. Yeah. Surge Fire. It has 15 bullets each, so I think this is all for 15 bullets. So let's go start the game. Kill you. Yes! I win! My victory!